Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together with another educational video. We will talk about the PancakeSwap today, but before we start, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts to not miss out on the latest opportunities such as upcoming pre-sales and airdrop chances. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain, a fast and inexpensive alternative to Ethereum. PancakeSwap enables users to swap between cryptocurrency assets listed and non-listed on the crypto exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. To use this platform, we have to connect our wallet, and to do that, we need to have a MetaMask, Binance or Coinbase wallet. And if you don't have any of these wallets, or if you don't know how to use a wallet, you can watch our tutorial to how to open a MetaMask wallet under this video. Regarding transaction fees, this platform is much cheaper than other decentralized swap platforms. To swap coins or tokens, we need to hold a small amount of BNB coins in our wallet to pay the gas fees. For example, I have less than 0.1 BNB coin in my wallet and I can make 7 or 8 more transactions with this amount. If we have a look at the top left corner, we have the trade, earn, win and NFT buttons here. Let's start with the trade option. We have swap, limit, liquidity and perpetual options here. Let's go with the swap. The main idea of this platform is to swap tokens that cannot be found in every crypto exchange, and for that reason swap platforms such as PancakeSwap or Uniswap are highly used by the crypto community. We can add tokens that we want to buy or sell from here. We can type their name, or we can export them through this list, or we can manually export them by typing their contract address to this box. To type their contract address, we can visit coinmarketcap.com and we can search the token from here. For example, let's go with PancakeSwap token since it's there, and this is the contract address for it. And don't forget, since we are using PancakeSwap, which is on the Binance Smart Chain, after clicking on the copy address, we can go back here and export the token by adding the address, and we can see that it is already active, but it wasn't. Then you would have something like this and you had to click on the activation button. After selecting our tokens to swap, we need to click on this enable. In my case is the Age of God, but in your case it can be something else. We need to click on this button, and then we will have a page like this popping up from our MetaMask wallet, and from here we have to confirm it. And as you can see, this is the transaction fee. Compared to Ethereum based swap platforms, Binance Smart Chain swap platform is way more cheaper. We have the limit orders in here. We can set a limit price to sell or buy tokens. For example, I want to sell my Age of Gods tokens to Binance USD, but this is the current price of Age of Gods tokens, and I would like to sell it when, let's say, when the price reaches up to 12 cents instead of 5 something, 5.5 cents. Since I cannot be on the screen all day, and even if I set alarms, then probably I will not be able to reach in time. So what can I do in that case? I can just set a limit order and the system will automatically sell it when the prices reach up to 12 cents. Let's click on enable Age of Gods and let's confirm. And now, as you can see, I have one pending order on the system. If the price of Age of Gods token will reach to this point, this is the 12 cents, the system will automatically sell it for me. After accepting the transaction request from our wallet, our limit order will be shown on open orders, as you can see. And here we can check the order history. And let's say we would like to cancel this order. We need to click on this button, and from here we can click on this cancel order button. Here we have the liquidity option. We can generate liquidity to earn liquidity provider tokens, and to do that we need to combine 2 tokens to get a liquidity provider version of 1 token. For example, we can use BNB coin and Age of Gods tokens, and after combining these 2 together, again I need to confirm from here, but I'm just showing it to you, so I'm not gonna confirm it this time. After confirming that, we will receive the Age of Gods liquidity provider tokens. By providing liquidity to the pools, we can earn additional rewards. As others would buy or sell our provided tokens, we receive some amount of their transaction fees as payment. However, as the liquidity in any pool changes, our provided liquidity tokens can decrease or increase. For example, today you may see 10 tokens in your wallet, but it can be 8 or 12 tomorrow. We have the perpetual option here. If you are unfamiliar with futures trading, please watch our Binance futures tutorial tutorial. We have the farms and pools options on the earn button. We can stake our liquidity tokens to participate in these farms and earn additional rewards. Each token has a different rate of revenue and users get rewarded based on how much they invested and how long they remained invested. To stake our liquidity provided tokens, which in this case is Cake BNB, we have to click on this enable button and then we have to confirm it from our MetaMask wallet. And as you can see, we have to pay this amount as an application fee. After enabling the farming option, we can stake our liquidity provided tokens and later we can harvest it. On the pools option, we can stake our Cake tokens to earn other tokens. For example, we can stake Cake tokens and earn ANKR, or we can stake Cake to earn GAL or METIS or CHR or XCN tokens. And we can change this list by sorting it out from this option, or we can type the name of the tokens that we would like to participate in their pools from this search box. On the win button, we have a trading competition where you can gather a team or join one, and the participants receive tokens and other rewards depending on their trading performances. We can bet on the prediction regarding if the BNB coin price will rise or fall, and we can buy lottery tickets to participate in the lottery event. Each user can buy up to 100 tickets per event, but of course we need to hold Cake token to participate in these events. To use the win option, we need to create a profile for ourselves. After connecting our wallet, our profile is automatically created. However, we have to pay 2.5 Cake tokens to modify and activate it. We can buy or sell NFTs from here, and here are some popular collections and collectors. Each of these NFTs have their different purposes. For example, Pancake Bunnies allows you to earn bunnies by completing tasks, winning competitions, and more. If we click on this trades button, we can check the rarity of each NFT and how many NFTs are issued on that category and how much is the lowest price of that NFT. If we click on this activity button, we can see the listed, modified, and sold NFTs on the portal. And last but not least, we have the IFO option here. Initial farm offerings are one of the best chances to participate in a pre-sale. PancakeSwap users can participate in these IFOs by holding Cake token in their accounts. After creating a profile and staking our Cake, we can participate in the public and private sales, but of course for each sale there are different requirements. For example, on the private sale you may have to stake, let's say, $1,000 worth of Cake token, but on the private sale you may have to stake maybe $2,000 worth of Cake tokens. But of course in the end the reward that you will get from the private sale will be slightly higher than the public sale. Here we have some of the former IFOs launched by the PancakeSwap. For example, let's check Berry. 2 million berries were issued for that pre-sale and totally $211.8 million committed to participate in this sale. By doing so, the system burned $500,000 worth of Cake tokens to raise $1 million funds on the system. And by clicking on each project, we can see their websites, contract address, and their Medium accounts. And also we have a video about Mines of Dalarnia, which you can find it in our channel. So as you can see, there were two sales, basic sale and unlimited sale. The basic sale here is the public sale and the unlimited sale is the private sale. This is the difference. To participate in the IFOs, we have to activate our profile and stake Cake tokens in IFO pools to commit cakes in order to claim our tokens from these IFO pre-sales. Here we can see the details, what is the difference between the public and pre-sale. And as I said, there are certain requirements that each participant has to meet, and we can only choose one sale at a time. And also there are some benefits, such as there is no participation fee for the private sale, and the system burns these Cake tokens that used in the participations to increase the value of Cake token in the market. And to participate in these IFOs, we have to contribute a minimum of $10 worth of Cake to either sale. And if you would like to launch your own IFO, you can click on this button. You can click on this apply to run an IFO button, and those who participated in these have already made huge profits. But it's never too late. You can find out more about the latest pre-sales and airdrop news from our channel. So do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and follow our other social media accounts. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.